Things first, I appreciate your support. So my client has moved houses, so we're going to install this machine. So during installation, things you need to look at: source of power. So we have a socket over there, and then we have a source of water here. So we'll install our tap here, and then this is where the machine will drain water. So ensure you have all the required tools. You have the pipe and the tap. So this is the water inlet pipe. Then we have the washing machine tap. We need thread tape, so I have enough. Ensure you have enough to avoid leakages. We have sockets here. We have the socket nipple, so I have enough. I don't need a junction, a T. So this is enough. These and these are enough. Then we need a pipe wrench. So I have a pipe wrench. Then before you proceed, ensure that the main water tap of the main house is closed. Main tap is closed so that you don't get wet when doing the job. So we're going to install this washing machine here. There's a Beko, a front load. So there is water source here, and there is where to drain water. And we have all that is required. We have the inlet tap, inlet pipe, we have the tap, we have the thread tape. So we get into it. So first, main water is closed, main tap is closed, so we open this. So we put anti-rust. Give it like 2 minutes, then use a pipe wrench to open. If you don't have a pipe wrench, you can use the right spanner for these. For safety, have some gloves on you. Doing this just in case it's clogged. I can see it's clearing there. We get our thread tape, put it around here. Then we put our socket. Get a pipe wrench to ensure it's tight. After putting the socket, now we put the washing machine tap. So if you put it without a thread tape, it will leak. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a thread tape around these. So we fit it there. Ensure it's tight. This thing easily breaks, so don't apply too much force. With enough thread tape, the machine should not leak. Good. So it's off, and then we remove this. Simple. So the tap, the pipe will fit here. So this is the water inlet pipe. So all the time, this side that's a bit curved fits on the washing machine and the solenoid valves for easy movement, because the machine, you might move the machine around, so it should be in a position to move. And then this one, the side that is fixed, comes here. And you see in here it has a sieve. Some machines don't have a sieve on the pipe. This one has a sieve, so that the water that is coming in is filtered before it gets to the solenoid valves. But the valves also have a sieve, so we fit this here. So just ensure it's tight. This doesn't need a thread tape. It has a seal in there, so the pipe has a seal. So that's it. So once you fit this, that's on and off. So a fully automatic machine, even if the tap is on, it should be on throughout. You can switch it off anyway, but it should be on throughout, because the machine detects when to feed water or not. So this pipe should be long enough, but depends where you are getting the water from, the distance from the machine to the water source. Because if it's quite a distance, you need to get standard machines is 1.5, so you can get a 3 meter. But if you're in our region, we can help you get a longer pipe by joining several pipes. So here you go. So this side fits here, so you fit it here. Yeah, and that's it. So draining water, pipe will come over here, so it will drain water in there. So for Beko, you see the pipe is already raised. Top loads or other machines I've seen, the pipe is always down here. So if you don't raise it, you'll have siphoning issues. But with this one, it's well raised, so you don't get siphoning issues. Simple, and that's it. How to install a washing machine. So something else that you need to know. Once all this is done, there's something we call balancing of the vibration filter. This on here. We have one, we have another one there. So if the machine is not well leveled, like this one is stable, what you need to do is you adjust these ones here, adjust that one, and the machine should wash well. No vibration when spinning.